You really think you can fix him, Iron Man?
Cap, come on. It's me. How are you feeling, Vision?
It is an odd sensation. Am I being scanned as well?
Yeah, sorry about that. We need to be sure that Ultron didn't leave any surprises inside you.
I'm not worried. Vision's his own man now.
I have to give Ultron credit. He did an amazing job designing you. I wish the world was as easy to fix. And trust me, I've been trying. Jarvis, begin auto repair sequence now.
Activating.
Entering sleep mode.
We'll see you in 30 days, Vision. Rest easy.
Resuming normal function. I am complete. Hello? Iron Man? Captain America?
Congratulations, Iron Man. You did it. You fixed the world.